Oh. All right, Harry. So we've gone around and got all the nails out of the top. So you can see there ain't much here. You ready, Harry?
No.
Stuff still seems to be all right. We'll be able to see how all this wood is. Looks pretty good up in here. There we go. Oh, these look good. They look real good. Take it down all at once, Harry?
Mm-hmm. Can I grab the other piece?
Yep. Hey, there she goes. Yep, you can see. Oh yeah, look at that. Yeah, it's pretty much rotten there, Harry. Oh, the rest of it looks pretty good. Oh, the rest of it looks real good.
Look at the corner of all the nails. We're gonna nails on top of nails on top of nails.
Yeah.
There's no way I could get all that stuff out.
Yeah, that's part of the headliner right there. Look at that. Nails, more nails, and a couple more nails. I think the top doesn't look bad for 95 years old. This stuff still is pretty solid. Just up there in that top front corner. You can see this. You can see how this overlapped. And then it had a bolt come in here. This is what it looks like. Up in here. You can see on the other side, it's gone. This whole corner's out. So we'll just have to get those two pieces replaced, more than likely. And go from there. Go ahead, Harry. let's see what happens when you hit this corner, Harry.
Oh, up on the front?
Yeah, I bet you that should just blow up.